Parsley seeds and cloves. Unlikely bedfellows in the culinary world, yet an intriguing blend from a health standpoint. Parsley seeds, oft overlooked but full of punch, contain a robust variety of vitamins and minerals. Think vitamin A, essential for eye health. Think iron, vital for red blood cell function. Add anti-inflammatory benefits, and you realize parsley seeds deserve more spotlight. Now, pivot your attention to cloves, those little spice titans brimming with antioxidants. Eugenol, found in cloves, has anesthetic qualities that relieve toothaches. This compound also holds antifungal properties, making it a fierce germ fighter. Merge the two and presto. You have a formulation that could very well serve as a natural remedy for a host of ills. Parsley seeds offer diuretic properties that may aid in lowering blood pressure, while cloves contribute their antiseptic abilities, perfect for battling minor infections.